Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Dean from Mad Hat Maddie's Wealthy Habits to Live By. Today we're actually going to cover our first habit that you need to break today so that you can start building your wealth, becoming more financially intelligent, and breaking just a terrible habit. So I'm not going to tell you the habit, I'm going to let Maddie explain it, but it's oftentimes called the tax on the poor. Um, in my opinion, it's a brilliantly devilish marketing scheme. It works and it's legal. It's somehow legal. So, without further ado, I'm going to have Maddie explain the first bad habit that you need to break so that you can start building your wealth and applying your hard earned money to things that are actually going to contribute to a good financial strategy. So, here's Mad Hat Maddie.
Oh, bloody hell. Well, what I've done is I've went to the packy and got myself a scratchy. This one's called Winter Ice. I could make $10,000 of US currency if I just get a lucky scratch. This one's kind of cute. It's got a little gingerbread. It's winter themed. I'm scratching. This is quite addicting. So my lucky numbers are 5 and 6. 6 is my lucky number. Oh my god. Here we go. We have a 1. We have a 7. 11. A 3. One more. And a 5. A 5! I've won! I've won! You've got to be shitting me. Dean, I can't believe it. Here I am trying to explain how terrible this is for people to buy, and I've won. I frickin' won. 5, 5, 5, 5. $1. So I won $1, and the scratchy cost $1. That doesn't make any sense. I took on risk and I didn't make any money, but I broke even and I feel good. The marketing is working. It's crazy. The demon ticket. I feel good, even though I made nothing. I won. I'm telling you I've won. When I haven't won, I haven't lost. Demon tickets. And I might go back to the packy and get another. I need another. I got the same card. I probably should have got a different card. I should have got a different card because I've used up all the luck and the winter ice. So my lucky numbers 2 and 7. Got a 1, a 6, a 4, 3, and 8. Damn it! No lost. And here is my point. You're not going to become wealthy scratching tickets, so don't scratch the tickets. And that was what I wanted to happen. Listen to me when I talk here. This is very, very important. Individuals want to get out of the rat race. They want to make money. And I got a hair here that's bothering me. People want money, but they don't understand money. So what they do is they get themselves into these schemes. A scratchy is not a good financial decision, and I'll tell you why. The chances of winning the lottery, the jackpot of the lottery, a substantial amount of money, is 1 in 300 million. I'm not lucky. That's not going to happen to me. And guess what? It is likely not going to happen to you either. I'm not being negative. I'd like you to win. If you have a few extra dollars and you're at the pumping station, get a scratch ticket. I'm not telling you to not have fun and scratch them on occasion. What I'm saying is don't plan on getting wealthy or rich from the scratchies. To help nail this point home, let's use Dean as an example. Dean makes 34,000 US dollars per year, but he's buying one scratch ticket per day at $2 US currency times 5 times a week. So he's spending $10 each week on the scratchies. There are 52 approximately weeks in the year. 10 times 52. It's $520 per year on scratchies. Let's do some more math. 520 times 5 years of doing this habit. It's a habit. It's a bad habit. That equates to $2,600 in 5 years. Now, let's do 20 years of this bad habit. We are now looking at approximately $10,400 down the garbage disposal. In 20 years, $10,400 gone out of your pocket. You could have paid off your student debt. You could have put it towards rent. You could have bought a house, for God's sake. But it gets worse. If you had simply invested that $10,400 or that $520 per year for 20 years into the S&P 500 at an average return of 8% per year, that $10,400 would now be $25,700. $25,700. That's a lot of money. You threw it away by scratching. And yes, it's addicting. I need one more scratchy just because I might win. I don't know. I already won once. I need to go to a different scratchy store. And there's another packy down the street. I'm going to go to a different packy. No, you're not. It's not the right decision. Stop buying scratchies. It's an emotional decision that will make you poor. It's a tax on the poor. A tax. No one likes taxes. No one likes taxes, but we like the scratchies because they've made it fun. It's winter ice. It's marketing. And it works. The state has created a tax on the poor, a tax on the financially unintelligent. And that is not going to be you anymore. Thank you. Goodbye. Maddie said something about going out and getting some groceries. I think he might have went to get another scratchy, but here is the lessons from this video. Scratch tickets are addicting. They're a tax on the poor. They're fun. You know, if you have a couple dollars, go buy one. But if you're that strapped on cash right now, it's not a financially intelligent decision to buy scratch tickets with the assumption that you are going to make money off them. It's a losing strategy in that sense. So, plenty of other ways to invest that $10 per week, and we can get into that in our upcoming videos. But the point I want to make in this video, it's not smart. Please don't do it just to become rich. If it's something you like to do and you do it every once in a while, don't stop. I'm not telling you to stop having fun. But what I'm saying is that you're not going to get rich off this. This is not a financially intelligent decision. And at the end of the day, I think we all know that. So I hope those numbers helped break down some of these decisions. $520 a year, $2,600 every 5 years, and $10,400 every 20 years.
Instead, put that money in the S&P 500 at 8% growth. You're looking at $25,700. Um, and that is substantial. And that is financially smart. And that is what the wealthy do.